Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having an issue with the desktop window manager has stopped working and was closed from a cause the applications to stop working correctly. Windows will notify you if a solution is available. And the main reasons behind this issue is the disabled desktop window manager service, corrupted system files, conflicting software, and outdated graphics. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung device manager, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So once na-open mo na tong device manager, and then next step, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung display adapters. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then makikita mo na dito yung ating graphics driver ay kailangan lang i-update. Kung paano yan i-update, so select and right click, and then select mo lang dito yung update driver. And then may dalawang option dito na pwede natin i-select, like search automatically for drivers and then browse my computer for drivers. And then next step, itap mo lang tong search automatically and wait natin. So the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alright, so after dito sa device manager, and then dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay? And hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so same dito sa search menu and dito sa search for app, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung services, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa services at services local, so dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung desktop Windows Manager Sessions. Alright, so kailangan mo lang iyan i-locate. So once na-locate mo na, so ang next step natin gagawin, so for example, and then select, and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And dito lang sa kanyang general at dito lang sa startup type, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung automatic. And next step, so kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung start, dito sa service status, so click mo lang yan and wait natin. Alright, so after, and then dito sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito sa services and other solution na pwede natin gawin, so same dito sa search menu and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan mo lang i-enter yung command keyword na sfc space / scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung slash scan now ay one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verifications piece of system scan, so dito ay kailangan lang hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. At dito lang sa start menu, kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix desktop Windows Manager stop working and was closed in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.